Did you know that you can make your own Maggi seasoning powder at home with just few ingredients that you have within your kitchen? Yes, imagining you having your own secret seasoning recipe that enhances your dishes and taking it to another level. All you needed is just sit back and watch the steps. I will show you. You can get it. Here I'm using 2 tablespoons of coriander seed, 2 tablespoons of cumin seed, 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seed, 1 teaspoon of cloves, and 1 tablespoon of garlic flakes, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of fennel seed, and 2 bay leaves, 7 pieces of green cardamom, 1 stick of cinnamon, and 1 whole nutmeg, and 6 turmeric roots, and 5 pieces of cayenne pepper. So I'll be roasting it for 10 minutes. So it's important you roast it so that you can activate the flavors of all these ingredients. So if you are seeing my video for the first time, I have to welcome you to GLAATORY channel. Here you will learn a lot of things. All you need to do is to sit back and watch. Here I have to let it sit for 5 minutes in order to cool off before I will start the blending. So welcome to GLAATORY. So relax and watch. You will learn a lot. And remember, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe and like my page. Subscribe, comment, and please share. Thank you. So I'll be blending the whole thing. So I added 1 tablespoon of dried onion powder and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of sugar. This is your own seasoning with no nonsense inside, no addictive and no preservative and no MSG. So it's all natural. Hope you get to try this. You will not regret making your own seasoning. You can see it's very powdery. So remember to subscribe to my channel. Don't just watch and go. Please like my video, comment, and please share. Thank you. You can see it's well blended and the aroma is something else. You know, this is the joy you can make your own seasoning. At least you are sure of what you are eating and using for your cooking, and the flavor is something else, and this will enhance your cooking to another level. Hope you'll give this a try. You will not regret. Came out so well. So I'll be storing it on my airtight container. Let's see. So make sure it's on the airtight container so that it will not start kicking. Remember, there is no nonsense inside. Okay? Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again on my next video. Bye.